Hi, my name's Tanya Matthews. I was really happy and grateful, and I feel very blessed to have been here at the Heal Your Life workshop and training, coach training. I know I have changed, not the same person as when I got here. And I've been to so many healing events and ceremonies my entire life, and this was by far the best one I've ever experienced. I encourage all of you guys who feel the call to take that healthy risk and come to Heal Your Life workshop. Come on out, everybody.
Well, what can I say about this workshop? It's such an amazing experience. I thought I've done my own healing with my past, and coming into this workshop, realizing I even had more healing to do. So to be able to even heal myself even more, and then to be given the tools to heal other people as well in the future. This course was just amazing, like almost speechless. I can't describe how I feel. It was just awesome.
I'm so grateful to be able to have been a part of this workshop life coach training. I came in with so much good prayers, and what I received from it was beyond what I even imagined I could. And I highly recommend Victoria, not only Victoria, but her team of beautiful people that come with her, because what people are going to get from this workshop is life-changing. And it's going to bring so much healing and so much abundance to all of our communities. So, Pira Maya, thank you.
Love. So what I got. Love. Just love every day. Love yourself. Love life. And never stop moving forward. And I'm so blessed to be here, and I hope the next group that's here, will walk away with the same experiences I did.
Hi, Brenda McDonald. I just wanted to say that the Heal Your Life workshop in Banff was the most amazing experience, and very well organized, strong facilitators, and the setting, beautiful Banff. It was just amazing.
Hi, I'm Connie Callio. I just completed the Heal Your Life workshop in Banff, and my takeaway was all about healing yourself and the power of positive thinking. And I just want to thank Victoria for bringing us to this beautiful place. It was like a sanctuary.